Answer of previous question, Nico Rosberg. 33. Joint Sea 2013 is biggest naval drill in Sea of Japan between which among the following countries? A. China Russia, B. Japan USA, C. Japan, D. South Korea USA. Answer: China and Russia. Question 34. As per the Global Innovation Index 2013, which among the following countries has topped the index in Central and South Asia region? A. Kazakhstan, B. Sri Lanka, C. India, D. Tajikistan. Answer is India, C. All the countries which has been given are part of Central and South Asia. Central Asia regions are Kazakhstan and Tajikistan, and South Asia, Sri Lanka and India, out of 4 options. Question 35. 21st Asia Table Tennis Championships 2013 was held in A. Macau, B. Busan, C. Lucknow, D. Bangkok. Answer is B. Busan. Where it is located? Anyone? This will be homework for all. Kindly find out, and by the end of this quiz, I will again ask this question. Question 36. Which state has banned polythene used for packaging non-essential eatables, especially potato chips and candies from July 1, 2013? Options are Sikkim, Goa, Kerala, Himachal Pradesh. Answer is D. Himachal Pradesh is the correct answer. Himachal Pradesh was also the first state to charge eco tax, or we can say green tax. Whenever you go to visit Shimla or Manali, this type of places, when your vehicle is going inside will be reaching the town, there will be some various toll tax will be there. Now they are charging around 500 rupees per vehicle. So that is a huge amount, because most of the automobiles which will be going there will be polluting the thing. So they are charging this amount so that automobile pollution can be lessened to certain extent. Question 37. Who is the current Foreign Secretary of India? Answer is C. Sujata Singh is the current Foreign Secretary of India. Sujata Singh is poised to become Foreign Secretary. So answer will be B. Ranjan Mathai. He is the current. Since he has not resigned from his post now, he is going to, by this month end, he would resign. So Sujata Singh would be the next Foreign Secretary. I think by the next some quiz, we may find the answer changed as Sujata Singh. Right now it is Ranjan Mathai, B. For question 38, former Delhi Police Commissioner K.K. Paul has been appointed governor of? Answer is A. Meghalaya is the right answer. Question 39. Who among the following is the current Union Home Secretary? A. R.K. Singh, B. Aditya Kumar, C. G. D. Anil Goswami. So answer is D. Anil Goswami. R.K. Singh was the former Union Home Secretary. After his retirement, Anil Goswami has taken over. So answer will be D. Anil Goswami. Question 40. South Africa's first female deputy president, who has been appointed as the head of UN body promoting women's rights and gender equality, is? Answer is B. Komjel Nyambo Suka. The pronunciation is a bit different from the Indian name, since these are in South Africa, tribal society is there, so they speak whatever the way they write, they speak in a different way. So the spoken and written English sometimes their pronunciation differs. So answer is B. So we will take a break right now for 5 minutes, and again we will start from slide number 41. Okay, friends? Now we will stop for 5 minutes break. Thank you. Welcome back, friends. So now we will move to question 41. If any doubts are there regarding 1 to 40, you can message in your chat box. Coming to question 41. A 91-year-old fundamentalist, Ghulam Azam, has been sentenced to 90 years in jail for war crimes cases. He belongs to Pakistan, Bangladesh, Syria. Fourth option is Iraq. So correct answer is B, Bangladesh. What were the war crimes? In which year they took place? War crimes. Now in this question they are talking about 1971 or incidents before 1971 in East Pakistan or present day Bangladesh. Because at that time the Pakistan army fundamentally they basically did much of war crimes or human rights violation. Large scale happened at that time, and Indian government with the help of Indian army they brought independence to Bangladesh from Pakistan, and they saved many lives. So answer is B, Bangladesh. Coming to question 42, which state government has launched Fulwari, a scheme? Yes, Simran, your answer is correct. Sujata Singh would take charge from today only as Foreign Secretary. First, because 31st July was last working day of Ranjan Mathai. Anyone has any doubt? They can write in the chat box. Then question 42, which state government has launched Fulwari, a scheme to curb malnutrition among children aged 6 months to 3 years? Answer is B. Chhattisgarh. Question 43. Recently, who has been appointed as the new governor of Sikkim? A. VP Singh, B. Ashok K. Kantha, C. Y.K. Sinha, and D. Srinivas Dadasaheb Patil. Answer is D. Srinivas Dadasaheb Patil. What is the name of capital of Sikkim? Anyone? Gangtok is the correct answer. Now coming to question 44. After Myanmar, which other country has banned the current issue of Time magazine over a cover story on violence between Buddhists and Muslims in Myanmar? 44. Answer is A. Sri Lanka. As we know that Buddhists are in majority in both these countries, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. So Time magazine, they brought a issue where they talked about the violence between Buddhists and Muslims, Rohingya Muslims. The issue of the problem in Myanmar is that there is one sect of Muslims, or which are popularly known as Rohingya. They claim their descent from Bangladesh, but the problem is Buddhists thought that these people, they should go back to Bangladesh, and Bangladesh has not shown its eagerness to accept them. So they have become, the situation is quite tricky, and the problem with the hatred and mutual distrust between Buddhist and Muslims has led since last year into clashes, ethnic clashes, which can be called as one of the reasons for bomb blast in Bodh Gaya also. So this is the story in Myanmar. Question 45. Evo Morales, who was recently news, is current president of A. Venezuela, B. Nicaragua, C. Bolivia, D. Ecuador. Answer is Bolivia. All the countries are part of which continent? Are countries located in which continent? No, Europe is not the correct answer. Anyone else? No, Asia is also not the correct. South America is the correct answer, which we popularly call as Latin America. Question 46. Name the Cuban dissident who has been awarded with European Parliament's Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thought 2013. Answer is D. Guillermo Carinas. (47) Which among the following states has been declared as the first smoke-free state of the country? Earlier we have seen states which has banned plastics in non-edible things. That was Himachal Pradesh. And now it is again Himachal Pradesh only. So Himachal Pradesh is becoming a model state for other states to follow for economic, we say environmental pollution controlling thing. Question 48. Which among the following is the first pressurized water reactor belonging to light water reactor category and has been set up with Russian technical cooperation in India? A. Kalpakkam 2, Kulam, Kakra, Rawat Bhata. Answer is Kudankulam is the right answer. It is located in which place? Anyone? Tamil Nadu is the right answer. Kudankulam is located in Tamil Nadu. Because why it was in news few days back? Because many farmers or persons living near this nuclear reactor, they are saying that this will create nuclear hazard for them. And government is, and through the help of NGO, they are protesting against the setting up of nuclear reactor. 49. Which among the following Chinese building has been declared as the world's largest building? A. New Century Global Center. B. Alfred Mao Sea Tower. C. Sitian the Villa. D. Hanath Morsa Cliff in the Iraq. So right answer is New Century Global Center. Question 50. Name the Prime Minister of Luxembourg who has resigned following a Secret Service scandal. Jean-Claude Juncker, Jeff Santana, Pierre Werner, Gaston Fond. So answer is Jean-Claude Juncker. Question 51. World Population Day is observed on July 7, July 13, July 11, July 9. So right answer is July 11. Question 52. Name India's third biggest private bank which has been granted a banking license in Britain and will open its first branch in London. Options are A. Axis Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. ING Vysya Bank. Right answer is A. Axis Bank is the third largest private bank of India. After, who are the other private banks who have been granted a banking license in Britain? Any guess? ICICI and HDFC. Yes. Now, coming to question 53. Satyam Company has been formally merged with which of the following companies? Infosys, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro. Answer of this is Tech Mahindra. So Satyam has been formally merged with Tech Mahindra. Satyam Company, who was the earlier chairman of Satyam Company, who was part of a scam there, and some irregularities were found against him, and he was later sent to jail. Who was the chairman of Satyam Company earlier? Raju Ramalingam. Yes. Following nations has brought a new law, Nitakat, to safeguard working conditions of its own citizens. A. UAE, B. Bahrain, C. Doha, D. Saudi Arab. Answer is D. Saudi Arab is the right answer. Nitakat, what is Nitakat basically? It is the name of a law. What it says that 1 out of 10 seats in every office shall be reserved for Arabs. So it shows that government of Saudi Arab, they want that their people do not go towards revolutionary methods like Arab Spring. So to employ each and every Arab citizen in their own country, they have brought this law so that any political development can be arrested at a very quiet level or at a very starting level. So what is the name of capital of Saudi Arab? Anyone? Dubai is capital of UAE. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arab. Now coming to question 55. Lajja Goswami is proficient in which of the following sports? A. Swimming, B. Shooting, C. Squash, D. Shooting. Answer is shooting. Question number. Who is the current chairperson of Central Board of Direct Taxes? This board comes under Ministry of Finance, CBDT. Options are Poonam Kishore Saxena, B. Sudha Sharma, C. Sudhir Chandra, D. Prakash Chandra. Answer is B. Sudha Sharma. Next question. Question 57. Recently, which among the following countries got the status for first time as observer in Arctic Council? A. Uganda, B. Philippines, C. India, D. Australia. So this Arctic Council, why this is important for any country to be part or observer status? Because the ice which is there in Arctic region, this basically is totally covered with ice 12 months a year, and below this ice there are lot much of we can say flora and fauna, which are there since more than 1,000 years, or some can be seen as pre-Columbian time. So if one studies them, then we can get various, we can say, data about how the life was there at earlier time and how that information can be used for betterment in present time. So becoming observer was a great event for India. So answer is C, India. Question 58. Recently, the Union government formed a group of ministers to draft a law to insulate Central Bureau of Investigation from external influence. It will be headed by A. P. Chidambaram. P. Chidambaram is present. Which minister? He looks after this portfolio? Finance. Yes. He is the Union Finance Minister of India. So, under his able guidance, a group of ministers was formed to draft a law to insulate CBI from external influence, and they have given a recommendations to High Court, Supreme Court, and Supreme Court is now looking into the recommendations. What is in this question? What is group of ministers? Group of ministers is it is an ad hoc type of mechanism. Whenever in the governmental circles, for example, one issue is there which cannot be solved by one ministry. So in that case, ministers of different ministries, they form, and Prime Minister forms a group of ministers. It can be headed by him if he is part of any ministry. Otherwise, he will appoint any other home minister or finance minister as his head, and they will come to a decision so that any ambiguity can be seen. So in this case, Supreme Court has told that CBI like a caged parrot scenario where government is not allowing any autonomy to the agency, because nowadays lot many corruption cases like whole scam and other Commonwealth Games scam, they are overseen by CBI only. So if situation of CBI is like a caged parrot, then the outcome of these reports will be biased towards the government. In order to that, CBI was told to become autonomous by the Supreme Court. So this was the scenario. Now coming to the next question. Question 59. Which is the fourth language of South India to get the status of classical language by the Union Cabinet? Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. Answer is D, Malayalam. Before that, all other three languages, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada, they were awarded the status of classical language of India. Apart from these languages, Sanskrit language has also been given the recognition or the status of classical language. But why generally any language is given the title of classical language? Basically, all the languages, earlier languages which are nowadays being spoken or not spoken, they need to be preserved. How any language can be preserved? It cannot be preserved by basically keeping it in records, but definitely you have to speak that language. So to talk of this classical language would be that in all the central universities all over the country, this language, there will be department of these languages, so that when people are doing their PG or PhDs in the specific languages, then only the propagation of language or research in that language can go forward. So in that regard, government gives status of classical languages to certain old languages. Now coming to question 60. Recently, the G7 meet of finance ministers was held in A. United States, B. Germany, C. Britain, D. Canada. So answer is anyone? Answer is Britain. In the previous question, what is G7? Anyone? Group of 7 countries. Who are these 7 countries? Developed countries or developing countries? These are developed countries. G7 is a group of developed countries, and this also includes G7 plus 1 Russia. Russia is also part of G7 plus 1. Question 61. Which of the following countries has agreed to take payments for oil it sells to India entirely in rupees? A. Iran, B. Bahrain, C. Doha, D. Saudi Arab. So answer is A. Iran. Iran has agreed to take rupees payment because Iran is one of the major seller of oil to India, and India is heavily dependent on Iran's oil and natural gas also. So earlier India was giving payment in other currency like euro, but now because payment is a big problem with Iran, because US-Iran relations are not very good, or we can say they are bad. So whoever does, they have put many restrictions on Iran's external trade with outer world. So whoever country is doing this business transaction with Iran, the payment issue, the currency issue is always a problem. Now coming to question 62. Who among the following has been sworn in as Chief of Nepal's anti-graft body? Damodar Prasad Sharma, Ram Baran Yadav, Lokman Singh Turkey, Pushpa Dahal Prachand. Answer of 62 is C. Lokman Singh Turkey. He was recently sworn as Chief of Nepal's anti-graft body. 63. Who among the following won the Man Booker International Prize for the year 2013? Answer is B. Lydia Davis. Question 64. The Union Cabinet of India has approved the decision to declare year 2013 as A. Forest Protection Year, B. Child Labor Eradication Year, C. Adult Education Year, D. Water Conservation Year. So, answer is Water Conservation Year. Yes, many people have given right answer. Why water is very important nowadays? Because of what are the reasons? Can anyone tell? Or why water is essential? It is essential for many of the purposes of life, but the problem is that the conservation is not taking place, and the water level in the ground, it is going very fast down. Earlier, any hand pump or any pumping set, if you happen to see in any village level, they used to dig only 30 or 40 feet and water used to come. Nowadays, the same thing does not yield water. It is around 140, 150 feet minimum you have to dig to get water. So ground level is going very fast, it is going down, and it can become a problem until and unless we do water harvesting, like conserving the water of rain. This situation will not improve. Coming to question 65, which among the following states tops in having highest growth rate during the year 2012-13? Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the right answer because they are talking about highest growth rate. Highest growth rate means earlier situation was very bad and now situation improves, then surely the growth rate will be very high. Question 66. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is elected for his fifth consecutive term of Rajya Sabha from the state of Assam, Punjab, Delhi, Meghalaya. What is the correct answer? Anyone? Meghalaya is not correct. Delhi is also not correct. Answer is A, Assam. Quite unlikely answer, but it is correct. Assam is the right answer. Because in India, we know that our parliament consists of two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, people are elected directly from people. The representatives are elected directly from people. And in Rajya Sabha, indirect election takes place. So, what happens that political parties, those are in power at this particular state, from there anyone from their party can easily enter the Rajya Sabha. So, Assam, Manmohan Singh is elected for fifth fifth consecutive term from Assam, because in Assam, always, or we can say majority times, the party of this Congress party is ruling from Assam. Presently also Tarun Gogoi, the CM of Assam, is also from Congress party. Now question 67. Recently, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has asked Indian government to take back which islands from Sri Lanka? A. Andamalar, B. Devadenlu, C. Kachativu, D. None of these. Any guess? Answer of 67 is C. Kachativu. PM of Tamil Nadu has asked Indian government to take back Kachativu Islands from Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, what is the name of capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Yes. Karnataka is name of state. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. And what is the capital of Sri Lanka? Any guess? Colombo. Now coming to 68 question number. Who was the last person from United Kingdom to win a senior single title before Andy Murray? A. Mark Cache, B. George Hilliard, C. Andrew Castle, D. Fred Perry. This answer was also discussed earlier also, but that was in different form. Answer is Fred Perry. Question 70. The Outsider is a book written by A. Ruskin Bond, B. Ronak Ahluwalia, C. Chetan Bhagat, D. Jimmy Connors. So, answer is Jimmy Connors is the author of book The Outsider. Question 71. Who is the director of much acclaimed movie Bhaag Milkha Bhaag? This is very interesting question and also very current. Many people might have seen this movie. So answer is B. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. Nowadays, spellings of great directors or actors are changed according to the astrologer or the pundits who are seeing their hands or their face. So, right spelling of many directors has been distorted by them intentionally. So, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra is the correct answer. In question 72, India has set the program to an Iranian port. A. Name it. A. Gwadar Port, B. Chabahar Port, C. Shijan Port, D. None of the above. So all are name of ports in. Where is Gwadar Port located? Gwadar Port is located in which country? Any guess? This is located in Iran. Chabahar and Shijan are located in Iran. And this Chabahar port is the right answer. India has set program to develop this Chabahar port. While India is developing an Iranian port, that becomes a point. In Gwadar port, what is the story is that China is developing this Pakistani port. This is very much close to the Iranian port. Or we can say it is just in the state of Balochistan of Pakistan, and it links China through road network to Pakistan, and China gets access to Indian Ocean through Gwadar port. So it becomes a very, we can say, serious defense challenge to Indian establishment, and also India wants to supply goods and services to Afghanistan. So India requires a port from where they can send their supplies to Afghanistan, and since Pakistan does not allow this land access, so India has to go through Iran to Afghanistan, as Afghanistan is a landlocked country. So this port will basically serve two purposes. First is supplies to Afghanistan, and second is neutralize the other port benefits to China. Now coming to question 73. Who among the following is the Chief Economic Advisor to the Government of India? A. Kaushik Basu, B. C. Rangarajan, C. Y.V. Reddy, D. Raghuram Rajan. Answer is D. Raghuram Rajan is the correct answer. Kaushik Basu was the earlier Chief Economic Advisor before Raghuram Rajan. When Pranab Mukherjee was Finance Minister of India, then Kaushik Basu was the Chief Economic Advisor. Coming to question 74. Raghu Rai is a famous painter, photographer, architect, fashion designer. So, answer is photographer. Raghu Rai is a famous photographer. Question 75. Okinawa Island is disputed island between options are Japan and North Korea, B. North Korea and South Korea, C. China and Japan, D. China and South Korea. Answer is C. China and Japan is the right answer. Nowadays, rivalry between China and Japan is increasing. The reason is that the economic power of China is increasing. So, the place which Japan had earlier in the world economy, now that place has been taken over by China. And China, after getting economic status as superpower, it is now going for the military one-upmanship. So now the increasing conflict has started. There is a historical cause to their dispute. 1937, before the Second World War only, Japan basically controlled many areas of Southeast Asia as well as China. And there were many thousands of war victims in China at that time. And though Japan was defeated in Second World War, but the major problem between these two countries is that Japan till date also gives their politicians, they basically visit shrines of World War soldiers. The soldiers who died during World War II of Japan, they go to their shrine, regularly visit that, and China basically it was victim of their torture of Japanese soldiers. So whenever this type of visit takes place, there is basically a conflict, frustration, whatever is the thing, it comes again and it hampers their relationship. So now coming to question 76, Mittu Chandil has been appointed as the first CEO, Chief Executive Officer of which among the following business groups? Air India, Air Asia, Air Asia India, D. Malaysian LCC. Any guess? Answer is Air Asia. Air Asia India is the right answer. C. Air Asia India is basically a group formed by Tata along with a foreign venture. Coming to question 77, Indian National Defence University will be set up at A. Gurgaon, Noida, Faridabad, Rohtak. All these places are part of Delhi NCR. So what is the right answer? Answer is, any guess? Faridabad. Faridabad is the right answer or Gurgaon? Answer is Gurgaon. A is the right answer. Binola is the place where this university will be formed in Gurgaon. Ronnie O'Sullivan is associated with which of the following sports? A. Racing, B. Golf, C. Squash, D. Snooker. Answer is D. Snooker. Question 79. Which of the following has been declared as country's most valued company? Options are NTPC, ONGC, RIL, and MMTC. Answer is ONGC. What is full form of ONGC? Anyone? Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. What is full form of NTPC? National Thermal Power Corporation. What is RIL? Reliance Industries Limited. And what is MMTC? Many girls would be interested in MMTC. What is MMTC famous for? Or what is MMTC? Metals and Minerals Trading Corporation. Basically, they have a sale. Why I told girls would be interested more? Because they trade in gold and silver also. So whatever they have a sale in major cities across the country, twice or thrice in a year, so can get good, or we can say foolproof gold ornaments. So this is about MMTC. Question 80. A new music app called Five Music has been unveiled by A. Facebook, B. YouTube, C. Flickr, D. Twitter. Answer is Twitter. D is the correct answer. So this ends our GK webinar. We have discussed today 80 questions from current affairs, which would be helpful for you. If you have any of the doubts regarding any of the questions, you can ask. Any doubts? I have asked one question to you earlier. What was the full name of Pran? So answer is, what was full name of Pran? Pran Kishan Sikand. Pran Kishan Sikand was the original name of Pran. In Bollywood, many of the actors and actresses, they have their different names. So Pran, though he has not changed his name, but he has shortened it to Pran. So this was about our session today. Thank you very much. And yes, Bhutan is part of which country? Bhutan is part of Korea, South Korea. So Akriti has given right answer. Thank you everyone. All the best.